Context diagram is a top-level view of an information systems. It shows the system's boundaries and scope. The single process symbols in the center of the context diagram represents the entire system. The symbol is identified as process 0. Here the data stores are not shown in the context diagram. They remain hidden until more detailed diagrams are created. The data flow then connects the entities to this central process. So here the online ordering system is the center process, or process 0, and then the customer, restaurant, and then the bank are the external entities. And then there's a data flow here which shows that all the entities are connected to the central process 0. And then after that there are more detailed diagram that shows internal functions and processes in a deeper level.